Hello students, this is Charu ma'am, your science teacher. As we have already learnt about the microorganisms and the groups, and now we will study about the nitrogen cycle. So what is nitrogen cycle? It is a cyclic process of nitrogen being fixed, used by plants and animals and later returned to the atmosphere. So basically it is a cyclic process in which the atmospheric nitrogen gets converted into simpler forms for the absorption of plants, and it involves following 5 steps. First is nitrogen fixation, second nitrogen assimilation, third is ammonification, fourth nitrification, fifth is denitrification. So we will study about these 5 steps in detail. First we will start with nitrogen fixation. What is the meaning of nitrogen fixation? It is a conversion of free atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds. And nitrogen fixations occur by two ways, that is lighting and biological nitrogen fixation. In this process, atmospheric nitrogen converted into nitrogenous compounds, and the nitrogenous compounds are nitrites and nitrates, and atmospheric nitrogen gets converted by two ways. First is lightning. During lightning, nitrogen and oxygen gases present in the atmosphere react with each other and form oxides of nitrogen. And second method is biological nitrogen fixation. In this method, blue-green algae, which is cyanobacteria and rhizobium bacteria that live in the root nodules of leguminous plants, helps in converting the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogenous compounds. Let us study about second step, which is nitrogen assimilation. It is the process of conversion of inorganic nitrogen compounds into organic compounds that become a part of living organism. Basically, during nitrogen fixation process, two nitrogenous compounds that are nitrites and nitrites are formed, and these nitrogenous compounds are converted into proteins, that is plant proteins, by plants for the utilization. Next step is ammonification. Ammonification is a process in which complex organic compounds like proteins gets converted into ammonia with the help of putrefying bacteria and fungi. As you know, putrefying bacteria and fungi are the decomposers which help in decaying the remains of dead plants and animals into organic matter. And the fourth step is nitrification process. In this, ammonia which was formed in ammonification process gets converted into nitrates, and the ammonium salt which are present in soil gets converted first into nitrites and then into nitrates. These nitrites then absorbed by the plants through the soil. And the last step of nitrogen cycle is denitrification. It is a process in which nitrates gets converted into atmospheric nitrogen, and this process helps in maintaining the percentage of nitrogen gas in the atmosphere, which is 78%.